Welcome to the desk of many things and need of clean. Today's issue, Game Boy. I love the Game Boy Color. The Game Boy Color is very good. Here is my Game Boy Color. It plays Kirby with a backlight screen. You can't see it, but it's got a backlight screen so you can play in the dark. One of my one of my favorite handheld, one of my favorite daily drivers. This one is let me just show you. As you can see, this bad boy is very disgusting, some would say. Hold on, maybe you can see it. Where am I trying to aim this into? Over here. It's gross. This is not mine, so, but we're trying to fix it for a homie. So it turns on. It's quiet, but I don't know if you can hear that. So we're gonna just see what's going on with it. I think it's just a potentiometer, but it shouldn't be too bad. There's this tri-wing, and then because this is an actual Game Boy, not like the ones that I've been working on. Those are so bad. This should be fine. Oh, this is for the PSP. Might be a future video of the new PSP that I did. You can tell it's a new chassis that I put because it's yeah. So where's the disc drive, guys? But it works, so it's fun. Play Monster Hunter Freedom Unite. Please. Oh, maybe. So there's some colored, but I think that's supposed to be there, to be honest. But I don't think that's even an issue. I think speaker, I don't know if you can see that there's some gunk there, but usually it's the potentiometer that's just kind of acting up. There's some rust here, but let's just take off like a toothbrush with it. Alrighty. Okay, well, let's try one thing real quick. We're going. All right, let's see if that did anything. Probably not. Spin this the other way. No, still farts. Let's see what we can do about the farting. What is it? I don't want to take out the whole thing. I'm gonna be so for real, man. It's a brand new toothbrush too. What a waste. Oh, it's just spilled all over the desk. Just kind of let's just clean all the components, you know. What I'm just using is like 91% alcohol. Let's just give a good scrub down on everybody here. Still quiet. Hold on. Let's see. Let me get some research and be right back. Okay, so it said try looking at the jack. I think it's fine because like the audio jack might be causing the issue. Oh, it's kind of corroded. Hold on. How's the just gonna stick that in there and just kind of. I don't want to do this, guys. We're gonna have to look at the back. Boy. Okay. That's the issue. That's most definitely the issue. That's so gross. Okay, yeah, okay, that's just a new speaker. Most definitely, I'm gonna be a $150. Let's see if we can try to clean it. If not, we can just get another one. But ew, that's so gross, man. Ugh. Smoker use, man. Like the coil and everything is just like, ugh. Just kind of let's clean up this. Just gross. Shalom! Room is a total mess, but I want to finish this project. We have come back. So we got a bunch of them. We got our PS5 controller right here. We gotta wait for this bad boy to warm up. I guess we get some solder. So I had to order a bunch of these bad boys and put them right here. Because I got to take this one out because this one's kind of dog shit. I hope it's the same homage. I really hope it's the same. The PS5 controller. So yeah, I was like, pa, 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 pa. You guys want to see a magic trick? Yeah. Yeah, that has nothing in it, but... Guess what, guys? So we have the old one off now. Look how bad it is. We got the new one on, and burnt my finger to get the other thing on. So right now we're gonna get this other guy onto here. The Japanese worker really went crazy on here, huh? That I have too much solder there. So now, okay. So let us dry fit everything back together. All right. Battery 1, battery 2. Put Tetris in as our test game. Pow that guy on. Oh, look at that! Look, and it just works. It just works fine. Cool. Let's try Kirby. You guys see the new Kirby game? Or the new Kirby Air Riders? I'm so excited. Played that thing for 3 hours last night, the old one. Alright, cool. Alright, let's unplug this. Alright, so cool. Thank you for watching. It was a quicker video. I'm still working on a bigger one on fixing my PSP. This is brand new. I got this case from China. It has no disk drive in it right now. I'm trying to see what I can do with it, what cool things I can do. So thank you for watching. If you liked something about it, comment what you enjoyed. If not, just thumbs down the video, I guess. Alright, bye boys!